In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best hoverboard for kids that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Tomoloo Music-Rhythmed Hoverboard. Whether this is your child's first hoverboard or they're a seasoned pro, this Tomoloo product is our top recommendation. The music-rhythmed hoverboard has received stellar reviews. This one can glide over various surfaces thanks to its durable, race-level tires and powerful motor. It can go quite fast, but there's a compatible app where you can control the speed setting. This board is great for children who don't mind some attention. It features a 5-watt speaker as well as color-changing LED lights. The exterior is water-resistant, and the battery has a range of up to 7.4 miles, so there's no excuse for not going outside. Number 2. SISIGAD All-Terrain Hoverboard. We chose the SISIGAD hoverboard for girls partly because we love the appearance. It's metallic and shiny with bright LED lights. But it has also received outstanding reviews from parents and grandparents. Besides the wonderful exterior, it contains a powerful little motor, which enables the board to reach a significant speed. Thanks to a self-balancing technology, even beginners can ride it. Parents noted how well it worked for newbies. The ride is smooth, thanks to an included suspension system and rubber tires. The board can carry up to 200 pounds and weighs a mere 15 pounds. Number 3. Uni-Sun Hoverboard. We chose this hoverboard as our favorite for boys because of the rugged exterior. The Uni-Sun Hoverboard is as tough as it looks. With dual 300-watt hub motors, it can go up to 9 miles per hour with a range of 9 miles. With built-in Bluetooth-supported speakers, your youngster can blast their favorite music as they roll through the park. Parents praise how easy it is to ride. The board includes 2 technologies, which help the rider find their balance and take turns without falling off. It comes with 2 sturdy wheels that enhance the overall stability. Fun features include LED lights and speakers, creating an overall great experience. Number 4. Swagtron Swagboard Outlaw T6. If you're searching for a hoverboard that goes far, the Swagboard T6 from Swagtron has one of the longest ranges we've seen. This is all thanks to its powerful dual motors. This is a solid pick for both newbies and more experienced riders. It doesn't go too fast and is reasonably easy to control and balance on. The board may not be totally devoid of gimmicks and distractions since it has Bluetooth functionality, which makes it appealing to older children. This is a simple yet eye-catching product, and it's easy to transport or take with you on trips. Number 5. Lieagle Self-Balancing Scooter Hoverboard. For children aged 13 and up, we've found this amazing hoverboard from Lieagle. It's a tough board with loads of power, which may take some time to adjust to. Don't let that put you off, it's still worth a look as it has a lot to offer. With 6.5-inch wheels and a roomy deck, even adults can ride it without issues. The materials used offer outstanding durability, and it can handle every terrain your teen might throw at it. Your teen is likely to be out after dark. With the LED headlights and sidelights, they will be more visible if they are riding late. More lighting is a safety feature parents should insist upon,